What's up, guys? Welcome back to Business Buffoons. I'm Azeem,
My name's Ahmed.
and today we're going to be giving you an update on our organic dropshipping journey. With the new location, the statistics for the new post, I got 846 views on my TikTok, which is more than the last like five, six, seven, eight, nine,
That's
10.
really good.
It's more than the last like 2 weeks. It's not really good. It could be a lot better, but it's the highest score for the last not 2 weeks, but two 14 days of posting or whatever. That post got 64 likes, zero comments, one save, and three shares. And then on Instagram Reels, I got 3 views and it got zero likes, zero comments, and zero shares. I have zero site visits and I have zero sales. That's my update. Ahmed, I'll pass it off to you.
Yeah. So for my posts on Instagram Reels, I got 138 views, but I didn't get any likes and I didn't get any comments on that. And I was kind of surprised about that, but the fact that I'm getting views but not any like not just one like, but to be honest, it's Instagram, you can't really tell. And then on TikTok, I got 657 views on the TikTok I posted. I also got, let me look at the likes as well. I got 15 likes, one comment, and two saves.
What was the
My
comment?
theory is that,
What
huh?
was, well, I'm sorry for interrupting. What was the comment?
No, it's fine. The comment was just like, I think it's these type of like, um, okay, I don't want to be rude, but they look like bot comments. But it was basically amazing, so nice meeting a business-minded fellow like you. Your collections look so
Yeah, that's
nice.
some BS,
Support each
bro.
other, kindly follow back. Huh?
That's some BS, bro. That's not the type of
Yeah, I
comment.
know. So I'm pretty sure it's another drop shipper that's just trying to reach the 1,000 follower mark, and they're just trying to like fish for follows in exchange for them following people, which honestly is pretty smart. But yeah, I didn't follow them back. So yeah, those are my stats for my two videos. I'm at 80 followers for my product account, which is good. I just need 920 more followers before I can put my link in bio. And yeah, those are my updates. Yeah, my bad. Let me fix my camera. Yeah, those are my updates. Azim, do you have anything else to say?
No, that's all I have. You guys will be viewing this video on Friday, so Jummah Mubarak. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.